Today we're going to talk about niyamas. What are niyamas? Niyamas are do's. There are 5 niyamas: Shaucha, Santosha, Tapas, Swadhyaya, and Ishvara Pranidhana. Let's understand the meaning of these and let's understand how to apply in our day-to-day life. The first one is Shaucha, which is purity. You clean outside the body and inside the body. Outside the body, you all know, with water. Inside the body, how do you clean? You clean your excretory system with Laghu Shanka Prakshalana, digestive system with Vamana Dhauti, respiratory system with Kapalabhati, nasal with Jalaniti, eyes with Trataka. These are called Kriyas. From these Kriyas, you can clean inside the body. And then you clean your mind. Clean all your negative thoughts. Release all your negative thoughts. You clean your emotions. Clear your emotions. Keep your heart light. And then you clean your house, the place where you are going to do the asana. Clean your mind, clean your emotions. The next comes Santosha. You all know the meaning of Santosha, that is happiness, right? Do everything with happiness and love. How do you practice this? Practicing gratitude, practicing joyfulness, being in balance all the time, maintaining self-balance. Next comes Tapas, austerity. You all know the meaning of Tapas. Tapas means working hard. Whatever you want to achieve in your life, just by dreaming about it, nothing will happen. You have to take action. Take action in whatever you want to achieve in your life, whatever your goals. It may be in your study, it may be a new job. Apply for a job, prepare for an interview, have an action plan, study for your test. Next comes Adhyaya, self-study. Here you study not just the scriptures. There are other things which you want to learn. If you want to learn a new language, if you want to change your profession, study. It can be a science book, math book, or it can be related to your projects, your profession. Put the required effort for it. Study for it. Next comes Ishvara Pranidhana, surrender to the divine. Now that you have put all the efforts, now leave the trust in the divine decision. Surrender to the divine. Have a faith in the divine. Trust the divine. Now to summarize this with one word. The first one is Puja, purification. The second one is Santosha, tranquilization. The third one is Tapas, dedication. The fourth one is Swadhyaya, concentration. The fifth one is Ishvara Pranidhana, contemplation. Practicing all these different aspects, the divine contemplation will spill all over our life. The divine contemplation spills all aspects of our life.